Hi friends, today in this video we are going to create a food delivery app with WooCommerce. As we did before a website for multi-vendor WooCommerce delivery website, now we are creating a same app for that website. As you can see, this is the website. We are selling the food products on multi-vendor. Now we can create an Android app for this website, and the main thing is you can also sell any product through that app. Actually we are doing some these food products, that's why we are just focusing on that app. Okay, we are doing the app on that IONIC framework, and it's very easy and you can do it without any programming or technical knowledge. Now we can go to the app and we can check how it works. Okay friends, this is our Android app icon which is we are seeing on our mobile, and this is the splash screen of the app, and the app is looking very beautiful and the layout is very well designed and aligned, and the home page of the app is looking nice, and you can see there are a lot of products are available on the front page itself, and there is unlimited options are available and you can customize according to your choice. And on the product page you can see the sold by option is available, and who is selling the item, the customer can see that also on their product page. And if they click on that, and the customer can purchase the product from their favorite store or the restaurant, and they can search their product, and they can search any product and they can get the result very fast. And customer can choose the categories and they can purchase like that. And we have the category images are also available, and the customer can choose the categories, and there is a cart option available, and there is an account option available, and the customer can log in or register from the app. And there is a WhatsApp option also available for chatting, and if the customer adds a product, the directly it will show on the cart option, and customer can register their address and they can check out with cash on delivery or credit card, and they can place the order. Once they place the order, they will take it to the payment options, and it will take the payment gateway, and the customer can enter their banking details and they can check out the order. First thing we have to do is set up an Ionic environment for creating this app. In order to do this, first install Java. Just go to Java JDK and oracle.com and download the Java from the download section. You can download from the Java JDK option and choose this one, Java SE 8U241. You can download that. Click on JDK download, and once you click on that, you can see different options are available. Now we are using Windows, so choose the Windows option from this list. Just selecting Windows 64 or 86. You can choose yourself. Just choose the Windows 64 and just download the JDK. Just click on that and just download. Before downloading, there will be a pop-up come, and you have to enter your Oracle account. If you don't have an account, you can create an account. I have already an account, so I will enter my username and password, and I can log in. Okay, once we have login, it will automatically download Java to our computer. And wait for some time to get download. Okay, once downloaded the Java JDK, I have already downloaded. Just install it on your computer. Just open and click on yes and click on next and wait for some time to get installed and click on next. You can change the directory also, but default is good for our IONIC environment, so click on next. Okay, click on next. Install to click on next. And now we are finished installing Java on our computer. Now you can close or you can click on next step. You have to just close the Java JDK option. It's already. Now we can create a path on our environmental variables. Just open your control panel, or you can search on your computer just environmental variables. Now just opening our control panel and just change the view and click on system and security and click on system, and you can see advanced system settings. Click on that and click on environmental variables. Click on that, and now we can create a path for the Java. Just click on the path option and just click on edit, and you can create a new path. Just click on new and click on browse and just show the path for the Java. Click on program files and you can open the Java folder and click on that JDK folder and select that binary folder and click on OK and click on OK. And user variable also you can be added, like we added path. Click on new and type on capital letter Java_home, and variable value should be shown on the program files and the Java folder. Select the JDK folder, not the binary one, just select only the JDK folder and click on OK. Click on OK, OK, OK. Okay, once we finish that, we have to install Android Studio. Actually, this is optional. and we can do that also here. Just go to the developer.android.com and download Android Studio. Just once you download the Android Studio, just open the Android Studio and click on Run. And click on Next. Click on Next and click on Next. Click on Install and wait for some time to get installed the Android Studio on your computer. Okay, once you finish the Android Studio installation, click on Next and click on Finish and click on Next. And you can install standard or custom type and click on Next. All this is optional, you can do according to your choice. Select one option and click on Next and click on Next. You can choose the Android Studio theme. Actually, I like the dark theme. If you want, you can choose the light theme. Click on Next. Click on Next. Next. And click on Finish. And select the Finish button. And now the downloading components. And wait for some time to get downloading components. And now just click on Finish. Okay, once everything is finished, you can change this also on environmental variables. Just click on the environmental variables and select the path for the Android Studio. There is a system variable and user variable. Just first user variable, just type Android home, Android underscore home on the capital letter, and browse the directory and open your program files, and you can show the directory from this option. Click on app data. If there is actually the folder is hidden, you can view the hidden folders and files and folders, and select this SDK and click on OK. Just select OK. Okay, once you finish that, edit that also and click on OK. And you can copy the SDK path from the folder. You can copy the SDK path, usage, your name, and you can choose that also on the environmental variables. Click on OK. Just click on OK and click on OK. Okay, now we can install Node.js. Now go to the Node.js website, nodejs.org, and download for Windows your version. Just download the software, just install Node.js, click on run, click on next, and agree the terms and condition, and click on next, click on next, next, and select the option and click on install. Okay, once the install finish, just click on finish. Okay, now after that we can install VS Code. This is a code editor. Just download from the codevisualstudio.com and choose your Windows and just install that also. Click on next and click on next. Click on next and select the options you need and click on next and click on install. Click on install. And now it's installed and click on finish. Okay, now our code editor is ready. Now we can install git. Now go to git.htm.com and download the git for Windows. Just select and download it. I already downloaded it. You can install now and click on next, and you can install like all other softwares. Just click on next and select the options you need and click on install. Okay, once you finish that, you can launch it and click on next. Now we can also install Gradle. This is also very important. Click on gradle.org/release and select the 6.4.1. 641, this one. Just download the binary file and it will be automatically download to your computer. Just download that file. Once you download the file, extract the file to your program files. Just extract the file to your program files, C/your program files, and as you can see I already extracted the file. Okay, once you finish that, just go to the environmental variables and select the path, and you can select the path for the Gradle also. Just type a variable name Gradle _home on the capital letter and choose the directory and click on OK, and you can copy like this, or you can also copy what we have done on Android Studio or Java JDK. You can do the same path like that. Click on OK. Okay friends, now we can install our IONIC CORDOVA, which is the very important thing on this app development. So just go to your command and just type this npm install -g version G IONIC CORDOVA and wait for some time to get installed on your computer. Actually already I have installed this, that's why these errors are coming. Otherwise you can do a fresh installation on your computer. Okay, once you finish that, we can check all the things we have done is correct or not. check this code: version, npm version, node version, ionic version, CORDOVA version, and GRADLE version, and one more thing is the Java version. Okay, we can check the Java version also. Java C dot Java C version. Okay friends, once we created the Ionic environment, we can go to the WordPress dashboard and install a plugin. You will get this plugin along with the source code, and just upload and activate the plugin. Go to your plugin settings and click on add new and click on upload plugin, and you can choose the plugin file from your computer. Just uploading that file and click on install now. Okay, once the plugin is installed, just activate the plugin, and now go to your plugin settings and type Redux, and this is also another plugin for working our app. Just type Redux and install the Redux framework as you are seeing on the video. Just install and activate the plugin. Okay friends, once you activated this plugins, you can see that on the left hand side there is a mobile option where we are customizing all our app settings there. Now go to the Woocommerce and click on settings and click on advanced and click on the advanced settings and select the legacy API. Click on that and enable the legacy REST API and click on save changes and go to the REST API option, and you can add the REST API key over here. Just create an API key and type the description. You can add any description, just type the foodie's name, just give the permission read and write. Now you will get a consumer key and consumer. Now open Visual Studio Code, which is the code editor. Now open your source code, which is the app folder. Select like this and select the folder, and now your app is opened on the VS Code, and select that app folder, and you can edit some details on here. Select on SRC or app and select this config.ts file, and here you can add your URL, consumer key and consumer secret. Now we are generated on the WooCommerce. Just copy the consumer key and paste it on there, and copy the consumer secret. Just copy the consumer secret and copy the URL, which is your website address. You can copy that also and just paste it over the URL placeholder section. Okay, once you finish that, just click on save, and now we can just edit the config.xml. Here you can edit your package name and version name, your app version, all settings you can change here. Don't change the XML version, only change the version as you're seeing on the video. Just change the package name and app name. You can change the app name. Now this WooCommerce or something, you can change everything according to your choice. And all details of this editing and code, the link I will give the description, you can check there, and you can copy the code also from there also. Now you can change the other email address, app name, WooCommerce, description, all these things you can change. You can change the version number of the app. Don't change any other things, just click on save. Okay, now you are open your command in Windows from as administrator, and now you can use your command, type npm versions. Now we can check all these things. If these things works perfect, your app will work on this computer or on this command. Check all these things works like this. You can check your npm version, your node version, your ionic version, and your gradle version. If these four things works, our app will work without any error. So you can check this. Okay, once you finished all checking all these things, you can type, you can open your the app source code in command. In order to do this, just type cd. You can open the app and you can open the select the app path like this. Just copy the app path and type cd, and just right click, simply right click, and now your app is opened on the command prompt. And now you can type a command, IONIC Cordova platform and Android, and just paste it over there and just enter. And now the platform is automatically adding to our source code, and wait for some time to get adding, and wait for some time, it will take some time. And all the codes and everything I will give the link in the description. You can copy the code from there and you can use for this app. And wait for some time. Okay, now our app is built Android. Now we can check Ionic serve. Now type this code, and this is for checking our app. This code is for checking the app. Type this command, Ionic serve, and it will automatically open your browser, and you can see your app on your computer browser, which is on Google Chrome. You can see this app there. See, our app is opening on our website on our Google Chrome, and now you can see our app is working without any error. So now we can convert this app into an APK file. Okay, everything works fine. You can check all the sections and categories and all the options, and all things are working fine. Now we can just click on CTRL+C, and to stop these processes just type CTRL+C. Okay, click on yes. Just click on Y. Okay, now we are exited from that processes, and now type IONIC CORDOVA build Android. Just paste that code. Don't do any dollar sign or something, just copy that. Now we are building our Android APK, and wait for some time to get, and we can check how it works. Okay, our app works fine. Till now it's okay, and wait for some time. Okay, some error, we have got some error, and we have got the build failed error. If you get this error, go to your code editor and change this thing, this config.ts, and or config.ts, you can choose that. Sorry, config.xml, just open that file, and you can Android mini SDK version, you can change that version to 22. And the error we got because of this Android mini SDK version, just change this to 22 and click on save, and now go to the command prompt again and run the command again, IONIC CORDOVA build Android. You can just click on that and wait for some time to build the APK. And you can get all these command lines and codes and everything, the link I will give the below in the description box. Okay, wait for some time to get building the APK file. Now we can check there is any error or coming or not, and now our app is building, and wait for some time. And now our build is successful, and you can see our debug APK is created, and you can copy the file from this path, IONIC app platforms Android app. You can get your app from this path. You can go this path, just open your source code platforms Android app and build outputs and APK debug. This is your APK, and this can be installed on your mobile, and you can check everything. Now we can change icon and splash screen of the app. Just go to the app and click on resources and copy your new icon and splash screen, the size and all other details. I will give the link in the description box, you can check from there. Now once you pasted the icon and splash screen on this folder, now go to the command, and we can add a command over there. So go to the command box and IONIC CORDOVA resources. Just open your app and just type IONIC CORDOVA resources and wait for some time to get this. Just wait for some time. Now it's recreating our logo and other things. Now we can change the logo and other images. Just go to SRC and click on assets and click on images. Here you can change your logo and all other images here. Okay, once you finish that, we can recreate the Android app. Just type IONIC Cordova build Android. Just type the command again, IONIC Cordova build Android. Okay, now it's creating a new APK for after changing the splash screen and logo images. And in this tutorial, we are checking only up to debug APK. On the next video, we will check how to be a signed APK and how it will be added to the Play Store. On the next video, we will discuss about that. Okay, now our APK is created successfully. Now we can install it on our mobile phone and we can check it out. Okay, just install on your mobile and you can see your app name on the top, Woocommerce. You can change to your name. Actually, this is a tutorial video, that's why I'm not changing these things. Okay, once you finish that, you can see like this. Just click on don't send because this is a debug APK, that's why the phone security system is showing something like this. Now you can open your app and you can see a splash screen and all other details like this. Now these things you can change from your WordPress dashboard itself. Now you can go to your WordPress dashboard and you can set up the plugin. Go to the plugin and we can change all other things like this. Now go to your WordPress plugin and click on this mobile options. Click on that. Now here you can change the banner blocks. You can enable this. All these things are very easy and you can change according to your choice. You can add banner images, you can add product images and all other things you can be added here. If you set width 100, it will be shown full size image. 50, it will show 2 images like that. And you can add margin, shadows, color, you can add title, etc. You can add additional slides, you can add new slides. These things are very easy and you can do by yourself. Once you finished anything, click on save changes. This app can be used for any type of Woocommerce product, not only food delivery. You can add enable the second banner blocks, select the style slider. Once you change anything, you can be live check on your mobile phone, so the changes take place, you can be seen there. You can live check on your mobile phone once you change any images or something like this. You can change the third banner blocks. You can add up to 10 banner blocks. All these things are very easy. And I'm not saying more about this because it's the all you can change according to your choice. You can change the product images, category images, you can add banner images, you can add some beautiful images, and it should all images should be in same size. That's the main thing. Otherwise some images will be small, some will be big, and it will be some bad for viewing. You can create all the images in same size. You can resize all the images that you are adding. Once you finish that, click on Save Changes. Now you can enable the category blocks. You can enable that. Click on Save Changes. Okay, you can enable the product blocks. You can enable that. You can add the product tag ID and click on Save Changes. Now go to flash sale block. It can be also enabled or disabled according to your choice. You can add anything over there. You can edit the flash sale date and you can change everything. Once you can set the width and click on Save Changes. Now go to the settings option and you can enable and disable all the settings according to your choice. Now we can enable the push notification for the app. All other settings are very easy and you can do by yourself. Now we can set up push notification. In order to do this, first go to the onesignal.com and create an account, or if you have an account you can enter into your accounts onesignal.com. I have already an account on OneSignal. You can create an account if you don't have. Now click on new app, click on that and type an app name for your app or website. I'm just typing foodies and select the platform. We are doing it for now, Google Android. Select that. Now click on next. Okay, once you finish that, there is a pop-up come. There is Firebase server key and Firebase enter ID. In order to get this, go to console.firebasegoogle.com and enter a project name. You can add any name for the project and click on continue and click on continue and select an account for the Google Analytics is your default and click on project. Okay, once you have created your project is ready, click on continue and you can see an option window like this. From there select Android and add your package name. In order to get this, go to your code editor and copy your project name, your package name, just copy that. Okay, once you copy the package name, you can paste it on the Firebase section, on the register app section and click on register app and click on next and click on continue to the console. Here you go to the project settings as you can see the video and click on the cloud messaging option, select that and here you can see the server key and the sender ID. Now copy your sender ID to the app settings and paste it on the Firebase sender ID section and now copy the server key and paste it over the Firebase server key section. Once you finish that, click on next and here you select PhoneGap Cordova IONIC. Select on that and click on next and click on save. Now you can see your app ID, which is OneSignal app ID. Just copy that, click on copy and go to your mobile options and click on paste it on there and you can paste the Firebase sender ID. Just copy that and paste it on there and OneSignal REST API. Go to the OneSignal Just click on save, leave the setup, and here you can just get the keys and IDs, settings and keys and IDs. Select that, and here you will get your REST API key. Just copy that, just copy your REST API key and paste it on the section, one signal REST API key section. Just paste it there and click on save changes. And here you can enable all the push notifications and click on save changes. Okay, once you finish that, our app is ready and you can use your app in a debug mode. On the next video we will discuss about the signed APK and we can check how we can upload it to the Google Play Store. And stay tuned, and if you like the video, please subscribe and like and share. Thank you for watching the video.